War is changing, and it's not being shaped by billion-dollar tanks or stealth bombers anymore. It's been redefined by AI and $800 drones. Think about it for a moment. Former CEO Eric Schmidt recently said in an All-In Summit, and that was something that really was a light bulb moment for me. It's the country that wins AI will dominate the future of warfare. He believes that AI will control targeting, logistics, and even battlefield decisions faster and better than any other human can. We've already seen this play out in the Ukraine war. In 2024, the Ukraine army launched what was called Operation Spiderweb attack, using hundreds of autonomous drones, each costing less than $1,000. They managed the entire takedown of military aircrafts, each of which was worth upwards of $20 million. The economics of war just flipped on its head, right? Here's what is shocking. You have a fighter jet, which is $80 million. You have a tank that is $10 million. A guided missile, which is $1 million. A drone swarm, which can be anywhere in the range of about $500 to $2,000 per unit. So think about the order of magnitude difference between a drone and an AI system versus conventional warfare. AI will make these drones smarter, autonomous, deadly, and without the overhead of human soldiers or massive fuel logistics. The US spends about $1 trillion every year on defense. But AI and drones could significantly reduce that spending in high cost areas. So let's think about it. Like there's $1 trillion in total spend. Let's assume that about 40% of the total budget is something that can be influenced or impacted by AI and drones. That brings it down to about $400 billion. Now let's assume that there's about 30% that we can drive in terms of cost efficiencies in that pie. So the annual cost savings is close to about $120 billion, much more than what Doge can do in changing and kind of like reducing headcount in these organizations and kind of like government-aided organizations. So AI, if left to its means and if actually it achieves the potential, can be a big line item in cost savings for America, and those cost savings can in turn be funneled to people and can in turn be helped to prop up social security and other avenues that the US government has been looking to service because of its budget constraints. Now, what will happen if AI technology is open sourced and available to rogue actors? So that's something that we all need to be mindful of. This is not a technology or a chatbot that is going to have minimal impact on a day-to-day. This can have disastrous consequences. And what will happen in a world where US and China start supplying these AI-based weapons and drones and controlling the capabilities of their allies? I can think of it as a potential a pay-to-play subscriber model, just like the ChatGPT Pro version. Countries like China and US will have the best capabilities, and they will start selling these capabilities with the most advanced AI to allies or countries that are willing to pay for it. Just like today, they purchase and sell a Gulfstream jet or a Lockheed Martin bomber. So there's going to be a dramatic change in the way software is now, and software and capabilities in warfare are going to be playing a role. And to Eric's point, the world has will come to a common set of capabilities, and there might be, and if everyone has an equal playing field in terms of AI, then it actually might be a deterrent in moving forward with war. But I don't think that situation will play out. Human beings have different motivations, and it's not only AI that is going to be defining how the future of war plays out. Our civilization is at an inflection point in terms of AI and its adoption in war, and this is something that we certainly should be thinking about. All right, that is all for today. See you in the next one. Thank you.